One situation several years ago, more than that probably over a decade ago, a lady, a teacher from the Basque Country, came to Red Bay to learn English. Well, as long as she didn't get out with the boys in the shed and get some of that slang going on, she might have done all right. But anyway, she came here to learn English. Very minimal understanding of English when she came here. So she stayed with my sister and brother-in-law. So one night for dinner, supper to us guys here, my brother-in-law was preparing dinner, and he asked her, did she like spinach? Okay, spinach. And she looked at him, she said, no, I'm not Spanish, I'm Basque. Spinach, Spanish, anyone could confuse it, I suppose. But anyway, she didn't like spinach, but she wasn't Spanish, but she was Basque. So they're Basque, okay? Their language is unique, their customs are unique, their genetic makeup is even different than their fellow countrymen in both countries.
Well, we're up on an enclosed observation deck here, and I think that's what we're supposed to be looking at down there. Is kind of what we're seeing out here, I kind of think. I don't know, but maybe not. We'll do a little look around at the water here. This is Red Bay, Labrador here. A little boat down there. Yeah. You know, here's that house right there, and there it is out there. You can see the house out there. There's like two of them up at the top. Well, it's one, two. And the Tri-Works is where they rendered the oil from the whales, which would be down at the bottom. And it's a little hard to see from this distance, plus I'm looking through glass here. But it's over there. That's what the talk was all about. Whoa, look at these, more of them here. Lots of them all along here. All the way over here too. And that here looks like it must be that over there with the Tri-Works. Because then we have more over here at the top of the building. And we come back and we just got our tour bus up there. Our limo, our chariot. Our trusted steed. All right, let's head down the steps here. Spiral staircase here. There we go. Don't get dizzy, my friends. I'm not trying to make you dizzy here, but I watch my head here as we're coming down. All right, we're safe and sound now.
They created this big bag of skin.
There's a little downstairs level too there. We're almost back to the shore here. So fog's lifted on this side. We have some good visibility here. So yeah, lunch is coming up next. We'll be back on the Newfoundland side here. So yeah, still on the ship here. Still up here. Still on the same ship. I'm still here too, and yeah, it's not really that cold outside here. It's a little bit breezy, you know, not as foggy. Visibility's good, so lunch is coming up next. All right, I'm one-man travel here. Well, we're at St. Andrews here in Newfoundland, and coming up to this lighthouse. I don't know if we can go in or not. We're in St. Anthony here in Newfoundland. St. Anthony, that's where we are, down there. Well, we're going to walk down the boardwalk here, see what's shaking. Maybe you can only walk around here, I don't know, but look at this boardwalk going right down here. It's breezy outside, but warm. So you know, still overcast. Last number of days have been overcast here. So oh, you can't get out here. This is just a little lookout point here, so I guess I have to backtrack if I want to walk around the lighthouse here. Okay, now we're on the side here with the lighthouse. The light only points out to the water there. No sense bothering all the people on the shore with that light going around, driving them crazy here. Let's see, authorized personnel only, so we can't go in there. But they got a sign down here. So, see what the sign says. Fox Point Lighthouse. Fishing Point. Here, you can read that. You can stop and read that if you want. Stop the vid. And of course they got the rocks because the wind blows everything over. So you gotta put it down with the rocks here. But we're gonna walk around the other side here. See where the lighthouse is. I don't know if it still works or not. If it's operational. But yeah, it would point the light from there to there, I guess, guiding the people in there. So, and now there's this other thing here that may replace the lighthouse. I don't know. Maybe that's a light there that's a little more modern that goes out there rather than this one here. This one must be an antique because the outside paint's coming off a little bit here. So I don't know. I got the wind thing on my camera, keep the wind away. But yeah, I don't think that one's operational. I think that's the more modern one right there. Okay, let's get back up here. We got the flag up here. Got the flag going. Canadian flag. There it is. Yeah, well, somebody's over there trying to door that place, but it looks like it's made out of earth and stones and wood, a little bit of everything. Like they might have stored stuff in there. Maybe they stored fish in there or whatnot. I don't know. We can't get in there, and walking over, it's a lot of weeds and stuff. You got to walk through there. So, all right, heading back up. There's our restaurant where we had lunch. We're going to walk back up, have a look at it here. Yeah. And there's a sign here, but it's quite weathered here. And wind's really blowing, so even with the spongy thing on, oh, there's a souvenir shop up there. I don't know if I want to walk up there. I got a pretty good supply of sous. Yeah, the St. Anthony sign's pretty weathered there, so it'll be a little hard to read. But here's our restaurant where we were at. It's the old Lightkeeper's seafood restaurant. Of course, I didn't have the seafood because I'm not a person that likes seafood. I have my reasons. So, and there's a little mock-up of a lighthouse here. Right here. There's the restaurant. And it says Lightkeeper's Cafe. Special pea soup and dumpling, $8. There you go.